In this Nigerian police force, there are bad eggs.
I'm telling you.
And he is one of the bad eggs in this force. And we are going to bring you guys justice. Now, concerning the case file, we, the Nigerian police force, will make sure we open that case file for you on our own. You don't have to pay any money. You see, as for this young man, do with him whatever you wish to do with him. When you're done with him, bring him back to the station for law to take his course. Officer Tommy.
Sure, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. Clear the way. Move. Yeah.
Where you go?
Hey, person there yourself.
You go cry, no worry.
Good on, elders, respect. Good afternoon. How's the family?
There's a family's money that will contribute that you spent now.
This evening you will die.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. As you all know, the last one was a banger, so this one you're about to watch now is gonna be a blast. You feel me? So, like always, just relax and watch to the very end because I will do the rest for you, so you don't have to bother. Just make sure you're subscribed. You understand? Just make sure your notification is on for all these bangers and I keep bringing. You feel me? So, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
In love. What did I never do? No. Which country has that? Why I no get? I been a soap, I don't buy soap. I been a church. Which fast did I never do? Even do alakuba? Yes, no money. God, no one bless me. No, I cannot wait till this Christmas and be able to. It's better I go and rest. Oh Lord, take care of my children. It's over. I don't try. In love.
Madam, wipe away your tears. For the Lord answer your prayer.
Oh, wait a minute.
What do you want?
I want money.
Name the amount.
Okay. 999 zillion.
What?
489 trillion. 244 billion. 101,000 weights.
No, my lord.
Wait, it's a place. The angel by himself. Can you imagine? A very, very greedy one then.
Man, come. So, you go dress up. We'll go down my friend's house where they go watch television. Chioma want her new movie don't come out today.
Okay.
It is out on YouTube for her Chioma Premium TV page for YouTube. Living with her memory. The movie don't come out, so make we go there, we'll go watch her. So that before we go watch and finish, today don't finish, we'll sleep off. We don't go think of food. We say money no day. Dress up, make they go. Sharp. They go now, go inside.
Papa, I no get strength to track. I know say na track you want track. Track the track the go. Sound too much.
No money to track. Let's go.
I don't know say na track, I want track.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Oh, you don't see me finish, Nabi? But he go tell you. Don't worry. She said this boy don't know me finish, and I really wanted to track.
Yeah, I pour you speed.
Make a track come back first. No problem.
Can you imagine? Prove her wrong. Enter bike. Living with a memory, with her memory. Who would you? Have you ever read again? I think I saw Dangote. I saw Femi on Thaedoboy. I saw Dangote. Tony Elumelu.
Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus.
Dangote, I think who would you want to be your dad or so? You don't get the money which you want.
Now what? You see, woman.
My boyfriend is a wicked person. He's a bully. He's a brute. He beats me too much. I don't want to ever go back to him again. All men are the same. All men are players.
No, now I not be player. You never test me now. I be different person. I'm different.
He's a wicked person. I will never go back to him again. I will never.
Put your account number.
So many things I don't sacrifice. We don't say I don't pay the price. Why
I don't send you 500k. Use it to wipe away your tears. Waiter! Bring a drink.
Pluto give person 500k. You go return that money.
What's up now?
Babe.
Show me, babe.
He's my boyfriend I'm talking about.
Oh, now you're useless guy.
Hey! Don't you ever in your life talk to the love of my life like that. Are you okay? Okay, get out from me.
After you don't collect 500k.
It is smoky, boo.
Babe, I'm sorry. I know you cheated on me. And I'm sorry for barging into both of you like that. I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry for checking your phone still. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. And I shouldn't have come to your house unannounced. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
What's going on here?
Listen, I know you are facing financial crisis right now. I have 500,000 in my account. I'm going to give it to you to wipe your financial tears.
Put my money!
Pluto money.
You are too good for you and you. Better defend my money, oh. Man, I'll go give you financial beat.
Nneoma.
Hello, Amy.
Hello, Dubi.
It's over 2 years we broke up. What do you want this time?
Dubi, calm down. I didn't call you to fight you. Just calm down, okay?
Really calm.
Okay, I'm calm. What do you want?
Okay. You know I had you as my beneficiary. I was supposed to send money to my fiancé and I mistakenly sent it to you.
You? Send your account number. I'll send it back.
Thank you very much. And one more thing.
What is it?
For the stress, I wanted to take 1 million naira.
Or do I want to equate you?
1 million?
Or JF more.
So, how much did you send?
Just 50 million.
Jesus! Hey! See money, oh!
Open your eye.
Jesus.
My ear says she will send that man. Okay, this time she never follow and suffer.
See, Dubi. This thing will not last. Once I hit, everything that belongs to me belongs to you. My money is your money.
Right, my sugar, she will return. Don't they think? Hey, she don't carry the guy money. She carry the guy money they cruise. Can you imagine? Yeah.
What for you?
She don't
Talkless, see, as we dey go inside now, I want me to respect yourself. Sure, they hear me so. Okay. No go inside me, go dey show yourself. Now you talk say you won't follow me, and now today that man won't give me that deal. So what you go do now? Be say, if you go inside, I go tell and say you my PA. Sure, you understand?
So because I don't get money, I don't tell your PA.
Leave that door. Should you know since when I don't dey sing? This is our opportunity. So more just go inside so that this man will feel sign us. More come up for you.
Voila. I go behave. Oh, they go.
No worry, still be my boyfriend. I just today.
my yes, Talkless.
Who is this?
This is my PA, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
can I offer you guys? Waiter!
No, sir, we are fine, sir. Thank
Are
you,
you
sir.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Then what about your PA? Yes, sir. Just give me champagne. Sorry, Sharpman.
No, sir, it's fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
you say so.
Yes, sir.
I must confess, you have a great talent.
Thank you very much.
What I saw on your IG, you can sing so much.
Thank you, sir.
I'm ready to spend millions on you.
Thank you,
See
sir.
terms, I understand. You are going to dethrone all these people.
Very much, sir.
I even
You don't go to yourself.
one of the A-list artists tonight.
Oh, really?
Yes, we can
Okay,
even
sir.
go together.
All right, sir, no problem.
Let's go.
The babe that I'm dating presently, she's my life, she's my everything. I love her so much.
Let's watch this video. Yes, so.
Continue.
Thank you for what you want to do for my star, sir. So you are going with me. Then your PA have to go home.
Sir, sorry sir, I'm a PA sir. I the father go anywhere she dey go sir.
Hold this man in the first place.
Personal assistant.
Haji.
That's what personal assistant they dress.
I don't tell you this many times.
I'm investing millions of naira. You know they see Arasta attempts. The guy PA with it. Now this guy PA you want carry go Grammy. God. I don't want all these things.
Sir, I'm also upcoming PA sir. If you send us together sir.
What's going on here?
Hey,
You are motivated like
I don't want you to be a PA again.
Jesus.
I've sacked you. I'm getting a new PA for her.
That's what I do for
Can go.
No do. No shots of
You can go.
Our PA don't go sir. Only our boyfriend remain.
boyfriend.
Haji.
Money, not the formula.
So now your wife is safe for me.
I used to serve food now. He wants food now. Are you serve good now? She come.
My crown, good afternoon.
I work today. Fine, you take time.
So no baby, I'm from this side, but my daddy is alive.
Are you wife? This stuff for you now. Your wife supposed to give me the one with the turkey. Do you take this one with this beef now?
Don't start this.
No. Take her like this.
I'ma show you. Coco marshmallow. Banka don't they call me. Billion 00.
Never know anything. I know so you they cheat on me now. Why I poison that rice we get turkey? Jesus! You go still cough blood. Even I one cup, you go still even that your cup they go put beat on that. You go listen and DJ mix. I get everything. I get inner beauty. I get front. I get back. I get middle. You still get my they cheat. You they crazy. You never. You don't talk to me. You go for your friend. I swear you are God sent by me. Thank God that you stood by me. You told me to go through this guy food. This guy they follow get child. They have get calculate ovulation period and a free period. They take it. Don't worry, I know you be on the 13th. And you don't know when I go see my next period though. You go they have get they calculate nonsense. I know you're my new crown and I know that we can grow together. I know you can never cheat on me because men like you are rare. When you look into my eyes, what can you see?
Jesus.
I'm in love. You're not my new crown.
That's what you fight.
Solo.
Ẹni tó bá dènà dèmí Jésù ti dènà.
As a psychiatrist.
Yes. Tale video. Oh, I can't sound. Yes, sir. I mean, Daddy for the new psychiatric warden that's to resume today.
Emilio Gambi?
Nice to meet you, sir. Yes, sir. I was asked to resume today. I don't know if you.
Psychiatric warden.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing with King then?
But the name Mama told you with it, so I just thought.
You must be very stupid. Sharon Koniwani, are they animals?
Sorry, sir.
You don't give me that cane.
I apologize.
Nonsense.
Yes. So sorry.
Mommy.
Oga, sir. Who's Janko?
He's one of our patients here. Come around with
I didn't know. He called himself Oga for me. I didn't know that he's. Okay. I should not run.
He will follow you after the end.
Okay. Mommy, the woman summon me. Woman summon me. I should run at this time.
Money what you make my pikin send for me. 9 days people scammers.
Officer, welcome.
Well done, my elders. Want to say a very big sorry to whatever that must have been the problem that you guys are going through. But we want to assure you that the Nigerian police force will dig deep to this case and make sure we bring you justice. So please, before we proceed, may I know what the problem of this case is all about, please.
At this juncture, Caesar has crossed the Rubicon because it's very preposterous and insatiable that as elders, learned as some of us are, we will be scammed by young generation Z, or what do they call them? We contributed money amongst us to book a flight to Obodo Yibo to go and honor our Igwe that the daughter gave birth, only for us to be scammed by a young person. Inheritance were sold and we contributed this money and sent. They scammed us, sent us a link to click and register. They wanted to still take our accounts. It's not going to happen. We need our money back so that we can book another flight and go and honor our Igwe's daughter that gave birth. That is just it. We don't want much. If not, hell will be let loose. All hell will be let loose. I rest my case.
Thank you very much. Like I earlier said, we, the Nigerian police, we are going to dig into this case and make sure we bring you justice. But please, for the sake of next time, have you heard of FlightWiz? FlightWiz is a flight ticket provider. They are trusted, reliable. They have the best and cheaper flight deals, best ticket prices to London, Manchester, Canada, and New York, and many more countries. So if you want to book your ticket, make sure you contact FlightWiz. They are the best and reliable.
Abeg, tell us more.
FlightWiz is out to address every fear that every Nigerian has towards flight booking scam. They also have the pay small option, where if you don't have money, you can as well book a seat and pay the balance before the dates of the flights. So they are there to help you when it comes to flight bookings, and they have cheaper deals to any part of the world. FlightWiz can be found. Once you just go on your Instagram, you type FlightWiz, okay? You will carry you go direct to the page. You contact them. Any booking, 247 customer service, then they wait for you. So no need to fear. please, next time, I beg.
Thank you very much, Officer Sabinus. Haven't heard from the officer of the law. Like I earlier said, I'll make sure we dig deep to this case and bring you justice. You know, in every sector, there's a procedure. So we are going to open a case file for you guys so we can be able to follow up this case. So please, Officer Sabinus, give them your account number. Let them send you a little token. Let's open a case file for them immediately, please.
Okay? You just use that account, send the money quick, and let's follow up.
Cheryl. This is the same account we sent all our money to.
Let me take a look at that.
What's happening?
Let me see that.
The same bank.
Hold it. Check if 3 they my own because now 3 other people own.
It's the same thing. 3343748. Look at it. The same account we sent our money to.
Half an hour. Omo. Now so this is a business they pay. If they pay well, I think you say if to say enter the business long time. If you don't make money pass like this, if you don't resign for this work, come join us. Just there, I don't receive 4 million naira. So quick. So how much will I go collect? No time, make I go back to the station.
Inside the 4 million, you collect 500,000. Give me 3.5.
Oh, send me account.
Well done. And you see my elders, you know, in this Nigerian police force, there are bad eggs.
I'm telling you.
And he is one of the bad eggs in this force. And we are going to bring you guys justice. Now, concerning the case file, we, the Nigerian police force, will make sure we open that case file for you on our own. You don't have to pay any money. You see, as for this young man, do with him whatever you wish to do with him. When you're done with him, bring him back to the station for law to take his course. Officer Tommy.
Sure, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. Clear the way. Hey, listen there, you go cry. No, Elders, respect. Good afternoon. Nice family.
This is the family's money that we contributed that you spent now.
This evening you will die.
La caca.
How do you know what time it is?
Moscow. Let me give birth to you. As a father, I want me to give me update. Give me an update, make a level up. Because I see how you pay on your government school fees for the house. And even the year say you want G borehole. It's not a bad thing if father and son pull up in a convoy. My husband.
Mommy, welcome, man.
I see the money we save for me. Thank God, sir, I born you.
That one are less now.
You see that trading where you say they do? God will continue to bless her.
Amen, man. Thank you, man.
Make her cook your favorite food.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
Don't give me your husband's favorite food.
Me and you know, say not be trading you do. Who is supposed to be? The money where you give your mama, you're supposed to carry the money, give me. Now me will carry the money, give your mama. Your mama will come greet me, appreciate me. I will come to appreciate you as my son. But you decide to pass my bag, they collect my respect. Don't worry. Times are there.
You no go vex my blood. I dey feel your pains. Okay, tomorrow, 1 p.m, stay active. Person go show you where you come meet us. Let's start from there.
1 p.m. Don't go come.
Nah, you told me I give you update too. Nah, I don't give you update. You dey fidget, they fear. Hello, boss. My father say no go fit sell am.
I would rather suffer than to sell my kidney.
Me say I be the reason say no go make sense say father and son get that sell their kidney.
Yes. Come go wash plates. Don't let me wait for you for kitchen. You do for the house, sef. You no useful.
The thing no dey my mind like that. Daddy.
You don't change mind.
Daddy, where would they go?
They're not gonna buy the kidney again.
Daddy, mo just forget about the kidney and make I just cook open business for you.
That's not your business. Call yellow make us show me road very fast. They own me, they come and come wash plate.
You know what wash plate?
Now the 2 kidney I will sell. I will sell the 2 kidney.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
I'm at the place right now, but there's no road. I don't think I'm in the right place.
No, you are the right place. Now look around to make sure nobody is following you.
Huh?
Yeah, look around.
No one is following me.
Okay, perfect. Now walk straight and take the narrow road by your right.
All right.
You want to go by yourself? You dey go.
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
See, sir, I came to look for a job, not to join court. I don't know why this road is too difficult to navigate and bushy.
Yes, I know. It's part of the company's requirements because we want to hire only people who are good at solving problems and navigating through obstacles. Besides, even the Bible mentions that the road to life is hard and narrow, and only few people will find it.
Okay, no problem. Now let me keep coming now.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my
Wait, are you the one on black and white corporates?
Yes, that's me. Just come inside. Let's start the interview.
What kind of rubbish interview takes place in an uncompleted building?
Oh, we are only using this hidden place because we don't want anyhow people to take away the job opportunities from talented people like you. But our main headquarters is in Lagos. Just come inside. Let's start the interview. No time.
I can't try that in life.
Don't you want the job again?
No, I want the job, but the pay is nice, but I cannot do it without my organs now. You understand? So just keep the job to yourself, alright?
You don't know so that your organs.
I'm smoking high five, mad killer.
Makenyo.
Are you alright?
No,
What happened?
You don't get belay.
I lost my mom.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah? Sorry. See, if you ever need anything, just know that I'll be here for you, okay?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, sorry. I have a mom.
Hey!
I have a mom.
Who is this one?
My mom is still alive. Sweet mother, I'm not gonna forget you. For the suffer, you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I'm not gonna forget you. For the suffer, you suffer for me. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't have a girlfriend. But I have a mother.
Girlfriend? I want to enter fire. I'm fine, girl.
Hey!
I've been looking for who give massage now. Would you like to give massage?
I'm sorry?
Hey, Yala, come now, follow me, go inside now, so you can give massage.
Yeah, I got you.
And let me just go get ready. We'll do it here.
Alright, I'll be right here.
Are you ready?
I misunderstood. I'm sorry.
Why are you running now?
I said you should get out from this place. Get out!
Amaka, calm down now.
So you're still here. If I catch you...
Amaka, what is your problem?
Papa, that guy came to marry me. Oh. That guy that drives a Toyota Corolla.
Amaka, this is like the 20th guy that you are chasing away. If you are doing all these things, who will marry you?
Papa, how do you expect me to marry? Papa, just look at your daughter now. I don't marry a guy that drives Toyota Corolla. Papa, don't worry. My boyfriend Chika will come and marry me.
Chika, is not that same guy that's traveled abroad for 7 years now. He has not chatted you on WhatsApp. He has not called you. He has not reached out to you. How are you sure he will come back and marry you?
See, you know they watch Nigerian movie. Papa, he will come back now. Once he's back, he will come with convoy. 5 different motors and Papa, Once he come back, he's going to marry me and he'll take me over there.
How are you sure that he has the money to even buy the convoy from the Obodo Yibo?
Papa, na surprise they call him, Papa. See, Papa, for fee, the whole village will be laughing. But once he come back, those people will laughing. I think they'll come to celebrate you.
No problem. Who am I?
I don't to watch Nollywood movie.
Amaka, what is it? Why are you crying?
Papa, I'm finished though.
What happened?
Papa, that's my boyfriend, Chica, Papa. I just discovered that he has gotten married to another woman over there. Papa, they have 2 children.
Jesus, I need a word Nigerian film. As they marry that person there, he go divorce and come marry you. Come back with 5 escorts, come marry you, eh? The whole village will celebrate you. Fine girl. You just 20 men away. Business life, nothing. Life no be Nollywood, though. Look at you. Chioma Chukwuka.
Limau. People don't too watch Nollywood as in video. Like too much Nollywood when they distort some people. You understand? And life is not Nollywood. You get anybody where you see. If you're okay with the guy, just marry. It's as simple as that. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe if you're yet to do that. And please share this video. It's very important to my channel. You can as well check out my other videos. You know I have fantabulous videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. Check them out. You're gonna like them. You're gonna like them. So don't play. And see you in my next video. Peace and love.